In this video, we will discuss about the difference between JFET and BJT or advantages and disadvantages of JFET. 1. JFET has very high input impedance of the order of 10 raised to power 2 mega ohm because the input circuit is reverse bias, so it shows a very high degrees of isolation between input and output, while BJT has very low input impedance of the order of few ohms because the input circuit is forward biased. 2. In JFET, input circuit is reverse biased, therefore input current is 0 and output voltage and output current are therefore controlled by the input voltage. Thus, it is a voltage control device. In BJT, input circuit is forward biased. Therefore, output voltage and output current are controlled by the input current. Hence, it is a current control device. 3. JFET is less noisy in comparison to BJT because the operation of the JFET device depends on majority carriers only and no recombination of currents like BJT. Also, JFET has no junction like a BJT and conduction is through a large material current carriers that doesn't pass through the junction. Therefore, noise not present in FET. 4. JFET is simpler to fabricate and occupies less space in integrated form with compared to BJT. 5. FETs are more stable than BJT with respect to temperature variations. It means FET is relatively more immune to radiation. This is due to decrease in drain current as temperature increases. In JFET, as temperature increases, the majority carrier concentration decreases due to increased recombination with thermally generated minority charge carriers. Hence, the drain current, which is majority carrier current, decreases. In short, it has negative temperature resistance coefficients and therefore has better thermal stability. 6. JFET is a unipolar device, while BJT is a bipolar device. The current conduction through the JFET is only through majority carriers, either holes in p-channel JFET or electrons in n-channel JFET, while conduction through BJT is through both the types of the current carriers, that is holes and electrons. Either it is PNP or NPN. 7. JFET gain is characterized as a transconductance, GFS, that is ratio of change in output current ID to the input voltage VGS. While in BJT, gain is characterized by a current gain beta, that is the ratio of change in output current IC to the input current IB. 8. JFET is an excellent signal chopper as it exhibits no offset voltage at zero drain current. Offset voltage is defined as the voltage that must be applied to the input to cause the output to be zero. It means it has faster transient load response time and lower output ripple. 9. The gain bandwidth product is relatively small in JFET compared to BJT. 10. JFET is costlier with compared to BJT. 11. JFET has low voltage gain because of small transconductance, because amplification factor is the product of transconductance and input resistance. It means mu equal to ID upon VGS into VDS upon ID, that is equal to VDS upon VGS. And GF is small, that's why VGS is large and mu is comparatively low. 12. JFET has greater susceptibility to damage in its handling. FETs are extremely sensitive to voltage spikes. These voltage fluctuations can easily puncture the junction and either weaks it or destroy it.